Beautiful out here. Every trader sees the market differently. And if you've been trading for a number of years and haven't had much success, instead of continuing to learn and research and add more, I would suggest maybe trying to unlearn some of the bad habits and removing some things that hold you back. Oftentimes, being simple in the markets is best, and it's only until we can remove and take away the things that we keep repeating that cause us the errors and the mistakes. Once we remove that, we can start to move forward, build some structure, and get profitable. I find that successful traders trade within themselves. They know their boundaries, they know what they're good at, they know what they're not good at. Just kind of finally forged away and had the discipline to stick with it. It's not trading the markets that's the key. It's truly trading ourselves. And once we can do that, then we can find success. Anyway, it's been nice to get to share a little bit about what I do in my off time and how I unwind from the markets. I look forward to seeing you on our Hola Prime TV channels, live streaming every day. And here's to your success. Thank you.
Only if Sam was here. Oh man.
We gotta wait. We gotta wait. We gotta wait.
Good, oh, so good.
I looked at. I can't see. I'm trading blindly because I don't have my glasses on, man. And I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I'm literally. I can't see this. I can't read anything.
It is freaking fantastic. I need to step my game up here. Oh my goodness. I think Sam will be joining us.
I had my Halloween. All right, cool. I'll wait.
Yeah. Sam will be joining us in a second, and I think Coach Tony should be coming on anytime soon here. But
we'll get him in. We'll drag him in. Another all-time high.
Whoa.
There we go. Watch.
Sorry about that, guys.
Welcome to the Howard Stern Show. Welcome. What is happening, Sammy Sam?
Oh man, literally, as we went live, a delivery came. I'm building a new studio and big panels came.
Yes.
Literally, as we went live.
Good.
I couldn't believe it.
Oh my god.
The timing was terrible. But it's all good. It's all good.
Have you seen the VMix by chance?
Daryl, what the hell is that, Daryl? I like it. It kind of suits you, you know?
Who's Daryl?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Sorry, Howard, how are you?
I know. Dude, I can't see anything right now.
Yeah.
I'm blind. I'm blind. I don't have my glasses in. I don't have my contacts in. I can't see anything right now. But if Tony gets back, we'll throw it on, right? Let's just get rid of it.
Yeah.
Now I can see. Let me get my glasses. Oh.
Wow.
Anyway,
wow.
How are we today? How are we, boys and girls?
All right,
like
all right.
Good.
Let us partake in life.
How's everything?
Man, I took this trade
and happiness.
I screenshotted it too, so I can have bragging rights a little bit. But yeah, I mean, I was at my desk before non-farm came out. Normally, I'm really not. I'm usually like in the shower or whatever. But I got up early. I wanted to get here, and I was like watching this print, and it was an ugly print, right? I mean, it was really like pathetic on jobs. So this market just kind of dumps,
and I was already waiting to pounce. I did not get in the trade yet. I was going to trade my cash account. Let me, this is a 5-minute here on my chart. And I'll go through some stuff, Sam, that it's another freaking Groundhog Day, man. It's like deja vu all over again. It is crazy. But yeah, we came down here. This is the non-farm wick, and I kind of got in long in my cash account, and I maybe got in right here. And I was aiming for the 65.50, believe it or not. And but I was trailing it with 5 contracts, and I grabbed like, I don't know, $2,800, $2,500. So
Wow.
that was good. That was good.
Very nice.
That was a little thing I did. I can actually. Yeah, and I'll show. Let me do this. Let me. If we can switch to someone else's screen, I'm going to bring something else in. I just need to stop sharing here. So if we can just hop over to one of your guys for a second. All right, cool.
Sure thing.
You guys see what gold did overnight? It popped back up to on that 830. Yeah, that 830 print. We popped from 36.05 to 36.45. So gained $40 an ounce in about not even 10 minutes time. So yeah.
Wow. Did you trade that during the quiet markets?
I did. It was a rough one. It was very volatile, but very volatile and indecisive. But essentially, I think what it did was it just grabbed liquidity, wicked people out below 3,600 to get right back to where we were at the high of yesterday. So, or high of
Good morning.
Wednesday.
Good
So
morning.
we are making all-time highs again. It's crazy. Might be
It's
looking
the
to play it out today at some
morning.
point.
Nice.
Okay, so we can. Let's see.
What are we doing from here?
We could switch back. Well, let me see. Before we do that, don't switch back. I want to see if I can. I want to see if I can move around the cursor or show something here. But in the chat, good morning, guys. It's great to see
Yes,
all the
good morning
regulars:
to
Eric
everyone.
Lake, Robert Mashiro,
Yeah.
Backett.
Of course,
Nice
of
hair.
course.
I know. I don't know, Backett. Backett, you must be used to how I normally look. But yeah.
Yeah. You just shave your head, don't you, Daryl? You don't.
No, I shave it.
You go
Yeah,
for
with
the bald
the
look.
razor, you mean?
You can grow hair, but it's.
Freaking
No,
news,
I'm bald
dude.
as hell, dude. No, I got a full horse.
Telling
dude.
you.
I can't, there's nothing
I'm
here.
joking.
There's hair here, obviously, but no, I
Well,
gotta
sarcasm.
shave it, dude. Sorry, I'm getting back. I'm
Little
getting back
bit
in
of
my
sarcasm.
cash account. I'm trying to get. I'm aiming. I'm still sticking at the 65.50 level in the ES as a take profit. Just because this market wants to be. I'm riding the Sammy subway. Like I'm on the train, man. I'm riding the Sam subway. I'm just, it's going, it's ripping. Man, I wish I could bring in a cursor or something here. Well, let's just switch over to my screen and it'll maybe be, I had to crop some stuff off, obviously. So this is similar to what Coach Paul was showing maybe last week. So I don't really have a lot to show as far as I can't guide you guys through this, but this is a live cash account where these like little triangles off to the left, these little yellow triangles are my entry point. These purple lines going up are take profit. So you see like limit orders at the top where it says 5 limit. I had 5 on, I added in 5, and then I was just kind of riding the ES up. Kind of got in around 65.10 collectively after the pullback on the non-farm release, and then I was just kind of holding through this, and I was holding up, and you can see I kind of moved my stop a little bit back here, And then I just kept trailing. And then I was trailing really hard as it was coming all the way up. And if you look in the far left little order entry section, you'll see volume was 25 lots, and then total was 3,550. So I made 3,550 on that trade.
Interesting. So I thought I should take that trade, but no.
That was pretty good. And I so you see where my take profit was at the 65.50. It came back. I did get stopped out really close to that. Moved up, and I didn't take another screenshot. But anyway, I'm back in. I'm riding the 65.50. I'm going to do the same thing in the Hola Prime account here in a minute when I get back. I just wanted to show people a little bit about what I'm looking at, and this is also a heat map of sorts that I use. So this is another tool that I am constantly watching during the day that gives me information about order flow and all of that. So yeah, that's it. Now we can switch back to maybe Paul's, and I'll clean this up.
Fucking hell, dude.
Yeah. That's the stuff, man. That's the good stuff.
But I wanted to show people I trade the
morning.
same. I'd say I trade the same way, in a cash account as I do with the challenge account or whatever, right? It's just like there's no games here. We're fully transparent. I want to show people that we're doing the same thing. We make money, we lose money. We're not embellishing. We're not making stuff up. You know, this is. You can look down here in the bottom corner. It said trading real, live, rhythmic market data. You know, the whole thing, time stamped. So.
Yeah, yep.
You know.
Yeah, man.
Anyway.
The real stuff.
I can go back. I can get rid of this right now. I think, right? Did that go with? Yeah, it did. Sweet. All right. Well, we can go back
just
to
casually.
Maybe you want to talk about something else.
No, yeah. We're just casually at all-time highs here, and I've got my levels set. Previous all-time high was somewhere right around the 65.24 area, and we're like 14 points above that at this point. So, aside from that,
in the ES, talking.
Yeah, in the ES, right? So somewhere on like the 65.
I had 65. It was at 65.34 and 3/4.
Okay,
That was
gotcha.
That was the all-time high. Now that was made. Maybe you're not counting it because it was just made in an overnight session. Maybe that's why you're not. But I know you pretty much factor regular, so maybe that's why.
Right. I think that I wasn't including the overnights.
It doesn't matter.
Regular trading sessions though, but
it doesn't matter because we're trading above it right now anyway, and we're regular trading hours anyway now, so we're above it. We're new all-time high.
Right. Yeah. So we've gapped up essentially
since we've
yesterday's regular trading. What's up, Sam? Sorry.
Carry on. No, carry on. Carry on. I'll say it after.
Oh no, all I'm looking for is
let's switch.
You know,
let's switch over to
Paul's.
Paul's.
Gapped up between regular trading hour sessions. Yesterday's high regular trading hour session being at 65.16, so maybe being 24 points above at this point is a little bit much to maybe ask for a gap fill and then like a reversal back to the upside, like some sort of support, like fill the gap and then jack ourselves back up to new highs here. But
dropping.
That's what my first look would be, but I'm not going to.
15 is over.
Very quickly, if at all today. I mean, we're just so far above value area high of yesterday and whatnot. Like value area high being 64.98 for me, and then point of control of yesterday being 64.86. So it's more so looking at around the all-time or the yesterday's high of 65.15 area and seeing if we can't find support. And then aside from that, just looking at momentum, just trying to do a little bit of a momentum trade off of the EMAs or something. But it's kind of my only game plan for today, aside from looking at some of the commodities like the live cattle and all that jazz, as you guys know. So
I was gonna say, since we have hit all-time highs, and I think the deal was if we do hit all-time highs and never revisit that low, that I would be called, was it the market oracle? The trading oracle?
The market
I
oracle.
think everyone agreed.
We called you that yesterday. Yeah, we called you that yesterday.
But it has to be an official title now. So,
Yes,
by all means, if the back end
Order filled.
market oracle, I think now officially is
You know, I
been
ordered
pretty
you a heavyweight wrestling belt, Sam, that said 2025 Market Oracle, but somehow I think it got lost in your Amazon delivery. So you need to check for it. But it should be there. If you don't have it, then you can't really claim the title.
Well, it's a custom piece, so they're probably still working on it. You know, you can't really just buy a belt that says Market Oracle. You have to get that made custom.
For sure, you're right. All right, let's see. So, I don't know what to expect today.
Come on,
Could
dude.
have,
What the heck?
hit all-time highs, and we've opened up.
Damn.
You know, we've had this bullish run all week. Could have.
Yep.
Could have a. You know, who knows what we could do? I don't want to say it, but just stay on your toes, everybody.
Yeah, I want to get short live cattle at some point today, but it kind of has already, in this first 15 minutes of the trading session, done a little bit of a dip here. So I gotta
let's
make sure
see.
I'm not shorting here into some strength from the buy side. So I'm gonna give it a little bit here, give it maybe another minute or
Oh,
two
there it
before I
goes.
make that decision.
So maybe
but,
my stop losses.
Sam,
are
you got
too-
any levels in the NASDAQ, I guess, at the moment that you're kind of looking at, maybe?
Yeah,
I know.
there's a buy one at 23,805. But
Order
sure,
filled.
I'll take that on my cash account. I think if we get there, I've yet to trade the cash account, so I want to get some profit. Switch over.
Yeah,
Yep, I'm with you.
sure.
You want to go into the weekend happy. You want to bank some money.
Exactly.
Lock in my IBs. Get back to 1 minute here. So in the ES, everyone, we were just kind of rotating through where we opened up. We just did a low of day, kind of double bottom, hit some liquidity around the 65.30 level, then we're back up to point of control. Point of control looks safe for the moment being up here because we've got a lot of kind of big high volume node here from the earlier volume. But now as I speak, looks like we're maybe having a little breakout to the high of the day, maybe extend up. I still have a take profit of 65.50. I'm not in the Hola Prime account right now.
Order filled.
But I will probably get there in a minute and share that with you. But let me just I just gotta get situated here, put some stuff on the chart.
Man, I'll tell you what, dude. I mean, I stopped looking at gold for literally 10 minutes, and then the volatility in gold
What
is
happened now?
insane. I mean, it just in a matter of 8 minutes, it just popped out of its little like pennant or whatever you want, a bullish pennant, and it just ratcheted up $15 an ounce. I mean, these moves in gold are just large. They are very large. I think Machado was talking about.
He was saying
trading.
something.
Yeah, he was trading it, and congrats, my friend, for being long in that, because my goodness, volatility is wild. So there's definitely a lot of opportunity there. I think I might, if I do play around in gold, I might actually downsize to the micros instead of being in the minis for the sake of. I mean, there's still plenty of opportunity to be had on 2 or 3 micros with this kind of price volatility. So.
For real. Absolutely. And we were talking about that yesterday. I think Sam and I were talking about that in Ask the Experts. When it comes to highly volatile markets, do you change your position size? Do you change anything? And that's usually our common response.
Order filled.
To either reduce your position or switch down to a micro if you're trading a mini. Anything where you just want to because it's so whippy, and especially if you don't have experience in seeing that kind of a market, you know, you can be sliced to death before you know it in a matter of seconds. So you can still make the same amount of profit you normally get with less risk because you got more range. And it was really, really important here is we're only 20 minutes
Target filled
into the day. You got another 6 hours potentially if you're around and you're trading to
Oh,
get
the
another
news.
one.
Forgot about the
So you
news.
don't need to
News
make
is
it all
hitting.
now. You certainly can do a lot of damage now. You guys see me get in the hole
Shoot.
early often, and I dig
You
myself
left that
out.
in.
But I also have the luxury. Ooh, big sell-off here.
Wow, look at that.
I have the luxury of you know, trading all day. I'm sitting here. I'm doing this all day. This is my thing. So for those of you that don't, you got to go
Saved.
to work or school or something, be careful and size down or change to a micro, and the opportunities are going to be there just as much as they would be on a regular normal ranging day. So always a smart move.
Yeah, definitely.
I think that was just a sweep. I think that was just a
100%.
stop pick sweep to the downside. Come on. Do not take me out, you sucker.
Excitement comes standard with the Honda Accord, and so does a turbocharged engine. Stand out with the Honda Accord. Contact your Honda dealer today or shop online.
So this is what I fear. A bunch of this today, where it kind of creeps up, and then it's like, yeah, we'll take a bunch of profit. We'll go home. We'll just go and stop pick everybody, collect, drive it back up, go down, collect. So I think I have to be wary of this today. I'm already recognizing it. We've had 2 of these in the last 5 minutes. I don't think it's a coincidence. And it's not news driven. This is just market driven, participant driven.
Yeah.
Okay, overnight low, 65.
Very rangy for the moment.
Well, it was good to see. What was encouraging was on that swing low on the non-farm payroll, we only got as far as down as 6502-ish. We didn't break the 6500 level. So, you know, that was kind of encouraging to see that, they went down, grabbed a bunch of limit orders in the book, but it didn't go crazy, and it held the higher 6500 level in the ES, which is basically kind of where we closed yesterday at the cash close again. We're doing the same thing, Paul, where we're just going down, not breaking the high of yesterday's regular session in the overnight, coming back up. It's like the 4th day in a row we're doing this, literally to the T.
Yep. Yep. It really is. I mean, honestly, right there on that last little drive down, I was hoping that we were going to find some continuation. I could get into a little short there so that we could close the gap.
What
May
is
get it right
going
here.
on?
May get it right now.
Get it, yeah. Honestly.
Right now. Damn it. Hold.
I am just gonna get into the short. Might have literally bottom ticked
Come on,
that,
buyers.
but
What are you in? Cattle?
I'm gonna short on the ES.
Or-
No, on the ES.
Oh, on the ES now. Ooh.
See if we can't find some
If it gets back
continuation
up,
here.
I gotta get out of my trade. I don't like this. Come on, shake it. Come on, shake it.
Shake it real good.
Boom, boom, boom.
Only thing is the Nasdaq's got to. The Nasdaq's kind of it was just at its low and it bounced off. So you know you could either see some support here, Daryl, for your long from the Nasdaq and honestly from the Dow. It looks a little bit
I'm
worse
okay
on the
if it
ES
goes down.
than it does on the other two.
All right, right. Well, I'm okay if it drops. I just want to get out of my trade first, and then I'll go short. But I'm holding long, and it.
Yeah.
Man, this is not good.
Yeah, who knows? It could see some buyers step in here.
No, I
honestly,
know, but
so.
I got 5 contracts on long. It's not good. That's what I'm saying. For me. It's like, get the hell up. Like 35, 36, I'm out of here. Come on, get up. Just for a minute. Paul, move your stop up to like 36 and then hold the short. It'll roll over.
Oh man.
If you could do it. If you could stomach it, do it. Oh, come on now.
I was gonna say, I don't know if I could.
You sucker, don't do this to me. I just see H's, man. I just keep seeing little H's here. I don't like it.
The rolling H's.
I got Coach Tiger ganging up on me with these H's. What the hell? No.
There's not, again though, there's just not too much liquidity going on. Like there's not a whole lot of volume. So
Yeah.
I'm probably like, especially when we have short moves like this, I'm going to be moving my stop loss. If I jump, like if I get 4 points in the money here on the ES, I'm likely going to jump my stop to break even and then just let it go. But yeah, we got to jump decently into the money here before I move my stop for sure.
Yeah. Otherwise, you just move it to break even. Just get scratch. You're not doing anything. This could be though, like we've experienced the other days too, where the first half hour or 45 minutes, we've seen a lot of this really whippy, kind of violent moves, and then it kind of settles out, right? And it goes, well, it's been going up in the last 4 days, but it'll go one way or the other. So it could do this again, where it's just kind of, everyone's just getting bounced around right now because it's early, and then it may settle out.
Yeah.
And look a little cleaner.
No.
Yeah, definitely.
Because we don't have.
And to be fair, I'm shorting a market that is super strong. Like, it's not always the best idea to be shorting a market that's just making all-time highs. So being on the long side isn't like some weird concept to be had here on
Yeah,
the
I know.
basis.
I know what you're saying.
Yeah.
But you can. I mean, we've shown this time and time
like
again here on this channel that we can make money either way. You can be in the same trade either direction as long as you just, as long as your trade management is good and you get out when you think you've had an acceptable profit or something, or just trail pretty tightly, you can still do fine. Like, I mean, Troy's probably looking for a big short here, right? He's probably salivating right now, going, "This is it. Take profit today. This is gonna rip down 100 points." I don't know. Man,
yeah.
what the hell?
NASDAQ just kind of quickly dipped 20 points there.
Really? Yeah, this is not looking good.
was a little surprising.
By long.
But the Dow is holding up well.
So I'm tripping out.
All right, here we go.
More volume
Now.
when it drops. The buys are happening.
7 o'clock.
Right at the buy
IB
zones.
low. Keep moving my IB low. It also, to me, looks like a weak high that we've made. So I think we're going to get back up there at the very least to retest. Point of control is still up there in the ES at 65.38-ish. Ooh, God,
I just took
That's
that,
good.
logged 200 bucks there. That's
Logged the profit.
Not too
I
shabby.
need.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that was a
cash account.
MES, or that was ES.
No, I was on the
Well, it's like
ES. I
a
just took one
overnight.
lot on the ES, got 4 points out of it, so
That's good.
I'll take it.
That's good, man. That was nice. You held that nice. That was good trade, man. You stuck to your guns.
Thank you. That was a tough one, to be quite honest. I'm not much of a short seller. Let's just put it that way. So those ones are a little bit more
Yeah, I
difficult
know,
for me.
but Jeepers creepers.
Order filled.
Let's go. Come on.
My internet just dropped out there. That was good. Am I back? I think I'm back. Is everything loading? Yeah, cool.
You getting anything,
Nice.
Sam, on the cash account or anything there on a little short scalp? On the
I
NASDAQ?
did, and then my internet's dropped. No, I'm in a long. It went to 805 to the T.
Stop filled.
Jumped in, but I got in a little bit of a bad price at 809. I'm in the cash account right now. I'm still holding it. I'm expecting a strong push up. Slowly getting there. Come on.
Yeah, I want to. Let's just get up a little bit. Let's get up a little bit here.
The internet's dropping out. What's going on? Stop. What is going on? Why does my internet keep cutting out?
Your membership is more than just a
Footprint
card.
fails to load.
It's your
It just goes
gateway to
blank.
extraordinary experiences. With
ain't
the
good.
AAA
Don't
app,
do it.
discover
Dude,
savings
don't do
and
it.
hidden gems. AAA, we're always with you.
Please. Don't fail.
For the love of God, don't fail.
The benefit of the cash account is you got the server side locked, so
When
if
looking for
something
the
does
perfect card to
drop,
reward your appetite
you
for
know,
life,
you're
look no
covered on
further
the
than
broker
Yeah, but
side.
still, I mean,
Discover new tastes,
I know,
doesn't
I
matter.
know.
experiences,
I'm just
and earn 4
I
times
know. I'm
membership
just saying,
awards
worst
points
case
at restaurants
scenario,
worldwide.
you don't
Find
want to
out
do
how
it.
to
I
access
agree.
over $500 in annual benefits.
Eric, Coach
value
D
on
says he's up
select dining and travel
3,500. Man, you're
purchases.
smoking it, dude.
Elevate your date night,
10,500
family,
in
or
less
solo
than
experiences,
48
and make
hours.
every meal more rewarding with the
Nice.
MX
I
Gold
mean,
card.
dude,
Eric is a beast.
he makes
of a
more money
trader.
when he's. I'll get thanks, Eric. I will get to the Discord in a bit. I'm a little preoccupied. I'm managing a trade, a long trade in the ES on my cash account, and I'm probably going to get in here on my Hola challenge account, a one-step prime account. Let me look.
Come on, buyers, get in.
And we've essentially
Still holding
closed that
position.
regular
Come
trading hour gap on the ES. So that the long, I feel like, can definitely start to print now. I'm right there with you. Yep, that's a really good long on your part. And then Daryl, you holding the long, my goodness, I think you're gonna. You might.
You know why I'm
get
holding
paid
it
out
though.
for it,
But
so.
this is not. Yeah, but I mean, dude, I went down to a 20-point stop. That's a lot with 5 contracts on. But
Yeah.
Well, okay. Look, if it got me, it would definitely hurt. But I would make it back, and I have the room to do it. Like I made a lot this week in this account. I made like over 25 grand in this account this week. I don't want to give it back. Right? I don't want to bag it.
Yeah,
But
of course.
I felt like it was gonna. This was just a little temporary comeback. I just didn't want to get out. I was just holding, being stubborn. Probably wasn't the right thing. But if it gets back up, then I'm out. I'll flatten out at scratch. As I talk, it doesn't look good as I'm talking.
I know. I mean, I don't know where these sellers are coming from right now. It's not good.
Oh well.
Come on, buyers.
They've been waiting for a day like
Jump in.
this. They've been waiting.
Come on, you're at my breaking.
Come on.
Just keep going up.
There we go.
There we go. Come on.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Getting absorbed.
Boom, 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 boom. I gotta start singing. Get it up.
I don't know, man. I'm starting to think this long is over.
Get up on this.
These buyers
Don't
are
be
getting
negative.
absorbed.
Don't be negative.
Nasty, nasty.
Phil.
All right, come on.
Come on.
Are we double bottoming? I want to double bottom. I want to double bottom. We like double bottoms. All right. Come on.
That is so annoying.
You can do it. You can do it. I'm in long here on my challenge account. So we'll see if we get a reversal. If this holds and we get back up to point of control. Point of control still is not
that would be such
at jeopardy.
Stop filled.
This. No.
Jeez.
So I'm telling you, I think this the sellers have got this one. I just saw
I know
buyers
what you're
getting
saying, I just don't want to
absorbed.
hear it. I don't want to hear it. I'm trying to tune you out.
I don't want to hear it.
I hear what you're saying,
Still,
but
I don't
I
know.
hear what you're saying, but it's like, yeah, just stop it.
No, I totally get it. I mean,
There you go. Come on, get
Do I
back.
get to a
Just
lean
for a bit.
hogs long here? Come on. Do I do it?
Robert, yeah. I am Robert. I am. Always have been.
A savage, Robert. A savage.
what should Robert say?
Oh man. Yep.
What did Robert?
Oh,
do?
you know,
He's doing he's bringing in some Sir Mix-a-Lot. Baby got back.
Nah.
oh man.
Yeah, see? Yep.
Nah.
Oh,
Well,
you
I
little rat. You little rat. Come on.
Let's go. All right.
I hesitated on the lean hogs there. I was looking to get long, and I hesitated for too long, and it just ripped up without me. So I'll have to put that one away. Dang.
Get up on this.
Dow is making new lows on the day. I'm not trying to scare you, Daryl, but it is making new lows on the day.
Yeah, I know. No, it's okay.
Oh, is it gonna drop?
No, we gotta tell everybody what's going on. I'm just saying, you know.
Yeah.
I'm a big boy. I know the risk.
You're not getting the Whittle Boy regular haircut?
No.
Like Coach Tony?
I mean, it's so funny.
At Grainger, we have over 1 million products, including the ones adopted for workplace safe and sound. Shop our vast inventory of safety products at Grainger.com. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
Regroup and see what else is out there we can trade.
Get up on this.
A tournament.
We have to win.
Cowabunga.
Platinum is some decent buying right now. Might get long platinum.
I've been waiting minutes for this.
Come on, buyers.
Order filled.
Kick it into high gear.
Long a little. I got
on
long
this.
platinum here. I'm gonna just a small long. Give it a go. See if we can't get a little scalp to the upside here.
Take my ES with you. You know what this is gonna do? I know exactly what this is gonna do. This is gonna retest the overnight low at 65.02, and then trap all these guys and squeeze them.
Stop filled.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I need to move this a little bit further. There we go.
Should have held.
Oh man.
Damn it. Should have put my big boy pants on and
Immediately
held.
Down,
getting
stop, pick,
rejected.
and reverse. Damn. Overnight low is at,
Push it. Push it real good.
Down to 700 we go.
Always the music. Don't blame you, man. Don't blame you.
Salt and pepper's here. Salt and pepper's here.
We're in effect. Want you to push it back.
Yep. Working up a sweat. Like I knew you would. Now push it.
Push it real good.
Push it real good. So Sam, what did you got some stuff delivered for your house or for a different location?
New setup.
Yeah.
No.
Cool.
For here, a new setup, new
For that.
studio trading,
Nice.
live streaming
Nice,
setup.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Cool. Awesome.
Order filled.
Did you get a new computer? You got to get a new computer
Should be
too
good.
at some point, I think.
No, not yet.
Or are you just gonna?
Still haven't
No?
done that.
Never.
I will do. But
Never.
I still haven't done that yet.
Yeah. You're not, to be fair, you're not having a lot of real laggy issues, you know. You just, I think, you know, just with all the
Sometimes it
stuff
just
we're
goes
running for
really
the live
bad.
stream, I know, because we got all this other stuff we're running in the background, like there's so much stuff, right? But yeah.
Just touch my own eye.
Boy.
That's burning.
Oh no.
You ever flicked
I'm
yourself in the
prepared
eye?
for it to go down to 6402. I'm prepared for it to go down here.
This platinum trade is grueling. I think this might be the last platinum trade that I make here on this. It's not the greatest, and it's hilarious. Like, you want to talk about illiquid markets? My goodness, holy crap! It is a weird one, but I'm probably gonna get stopped out here in a second. She can't hold this area. Yep, just got stopped out. All right, that was a fun one, chat. That was a fun little platinum trade. That was ridiculous, but we will log that one for no more.
See?
No more trading on the Ola Prime books. Definitely not going to be trading that one.
Coach Paul going to where no trader has gone before. He is venturing out and going on the new expeditions all the time. See? This is what we do. This is part of the education and tradertainment. This is all part of it. Oh boy.
Yeah.
Now let's see if buyers come in here. This is where I need to see something.
All right, now it's starting to move.
Fun. You've come down here. You've grinded everybody out.
So it might punch up really fast.
Just squeeze
Stop filled.
the shorts. Just frickin' squeeze them out. Come on. Overnight low 6402.
Maybe.
6402 quarter, but we're down there. We'll see if it holds 6,500, and then we'll see if we can get a response from the buyers. All right.
Oh, there it goes.
Buyers.
Maybe I should have held in.
Join the party. up on
I am happy where I got out though.
Get up on this. I did get a little update from Coach Tony. He just texted me saying he's at the barber shop getting his head shaved, skin down to look like me for the bet. So awesome. He'll be, when he comes back, he'll be just smooth, chrome dome, pale and white and ghastly as
I can't
ever.
tell if you're joking or not.
I'm just kidding. I am joking. I am joking. I would love to see him do it though. Oh my, dude, if he did it, that would be insane.
Commitment.
I mean, the cool
That's
thing
a
is,
commitment right there.
he can grow it back. I mean, you guys can grow it back. So, yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah. Yeah.
Couple weeks.
You
He'll
say
look
that
like
now.
he's got
Down.
like a number 2. Well, I know. I know.
Sam definitely could, for sure. That hairline that's a strong
Sam
hairline.
can.
He's got some strong genes.
Sam
you know,
can. Look at this.
That hair's going nowhere.
Hold here, baby. Come on, buyers. Yeah, no, Sam's locked in.
I'm lucky with my hair, to be fair. Very lucky.
He's the oracle of follicles. That sounds weird.
What? Damn, I should have stayed
Oh,
in.
you idiot.
Told
Come
ya.
on.
70, 100.
Follicle to oracle.
Back down to value area high of yesterday.
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay if you
Wow.
hold. You got to hold here now. Oh, you buyers are not doing nothing, huh? You're not. You're trying. Okay, you've had enough fun.
Gonna be looking at some like live capital stuff. Do we want to switch to Daryl so we can actually see the equity indices while I look for a trade in these other weird ones, and I can update us when I'm in
Yeah,
something
you can see,
here.
You can see this nice sell-off. You can check out this nice sell-off here.
There we go.
Baby.
I should have held that short. My
Come on.
goodness. Look at that sucker, man.
Yeah, you should have.
I
You
mean,
should
it's
have.
just-
You should have. I should have put my
reversals.
position.
Wow. There we go. Just
I know. It's grinding and it's just get a little reprieve here. Sellers, take your foot off the gas.
We're getting married this year.
Time to save wherever we
720. What do
can. So we
have?
tried a
have
different
anything
detergent.
coming out? I don't
Seemed like a
believe
good
we
deal.
have
The
anything
detergent was so
coming out.
watered down it left our clothes with stains and dinge.
My favorite shirt became my PJs.
And I'm not risking mine.
We're back with Tide.
Tide's the real deal.
Stop paying for watered down detergent. It's got to be Tide.
Taking the time to savor Thomas's crunchy yet soft bagels.
Thanks, Tom.
It's Tom.
3 minutes ago, Trump
Right,
says Powell should have
Tom.
lowered rates long time ago. Yeah, we know how he feels on that.
Tom.
Boy,
Huzzah! A toast to breakfast.
not much news, not much tweeting. Come on, get back up. Get above 6,500 and hold here, but I can see it come right back down. Yeah, this would be a good short re-enter. Hold. I got to see what it does down here at the 95 area. If it comes down and does not get an extension, then I will re-enter it along or get in again with a long. I'm not in a trade yet. So the IBL, we've come to the overnight low, so I can take that off my chart. That target's filled. Yikes. Ugly. Ugly. Come on.
And here we go again to the downside. My goodness.
Buyers are holding. Buyers are pushing them back finally. Come on, buyers. Let's go. Squeeze it. Let's do a squeeze. Let's do a real rip. Let's do a nice 30, 40 point rip. Don't like it. Come on, hold. Hold. Robert, great trade. It's okay if you got out a little early. It's okay. It gives you the conviction, like you said, to watch it. Oh, my Lord, for the love of God, what are you freaking doing? Hold. Come on, buyers. Get in here. Jesus. Not good.
All right.
All right. Now I think we got through all that liquidity. You did your thing. You did your thing. Come on. There we go. There's my buyer. Finally. Now you're coming in. Hold them and push them. Let's go. There we go. Let's go. Come on, guys. We've had enough of this crap. There we go. There we go. I'm long in my long in the ES.
I'm short soybeans, everybody. I am.
Are you
Get
really?
short,
I'm
baby.
not surprised.
Come on, push. It's pushing. Let's go.
My song's not helping. Come on. Pushing down,
It's
not
not,
up.
is it?
Maybe it's thinking we're singing the wrong thing today. We're saying go up. Oh, I gotta stop that again. What the hell?
Damn, these sellers are aggressive. What is going on?
They are.
Where is this sell-off coming
Well,
from?
they're from weeks and weeks of waiting for this. Waiting for the NFP.
I mean, and I'm looking at some stocks and stuff too right now, just kind of gauging, you know, what sectors are doing okay and everything, and like, but like you still have you have the Nasdaq, you know, kind of selling off relatively right now, but Google is still killing it. It's up a buck today. It's at 233
Really?
and change.
Yeah.
But you know, you do have Nvidia down about $7 right now. The energies, financials are the biggest losers at the moment. Industrials are following them along with utilities. Technology is trying to get back to break even on the day in the S&P, but I think the best sector is materials as of right now. So not the most sexy sector of the S&P 500, but
No, not at all.
All right, so we're back down to yesterday's point of control in the ES. If that means anything, it really doesn't to me.
All right, I think that's it, guys. I think we are gonna call it there. I'm getting a little FOMO-y. Do you think it might still go down to the 200 EMA or around there?
Then it would mean something.
I have it at set to a 198 EMA.
In the whole realm of things, it doesn't really
Close to,
provide
and I
any
would
kind of
probably
target
put
or,
my TP at at 23,560 on the CME market price point.
Ever best on the go. How is NFP today? It's good. I mean, it's providing some good.
I think that's crazy.
Got some range. With a lackluster number. Lackluster number. So definitely seeing something we don't see very often with these days.
We're gonna go ahead and cut there. All the loves. Peace. Safe travels to work, everybody. Safe.
So who has their speakers
weekend?
Because I do hear the little delay.
No one.
Call it a day. Thank you.
That's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about the other day.
I'm
like,
tired.
I hear a tiny bit of it.
We're getting really FOMO here, and I think it's time for me to get out. And
maybe
although I think it might hit still.
Can you hear it now?
And it's really getting ready to push that.
Delayed by about a second.
Yeah. So okay. So what it is, it's probably my headphones being picked up on the microphone. Believe it or not.
There you go.
You got them that loud?
There it drops.
I mean, the normal volume, but this microphone must be extremely sensitive. I mean, you could hear like the ice cream van. You know.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Oh yeah, you're right. Your mic. Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah.
Dang,
that makes sense. Totally makes sense.
Come on. Get up on this.
I think it'll come back up. Touch this.
My NVIDIA covered calls are like printing right now, which I'm very happy for.
Or not, because that was like a perfect.
At least my cash account is
punch in
protected
to
with
get
my NVIDIA
down.
long. The covered calls are just working wonders at the moment. And luckily, I didn't sell covered calls on my Google positions, so I'm getting the best of both worlds at the moment.
Yeah, that's good. That's
can't argue.
That's
with it.
awesome. No.
Can't argue with it.
Come on now, let's go buyers.
I somehow doubt the buyers are going to do much today. The amount of volume that's coming, it's the cumulative. It's still, I don't know.
Oh, it's heavy negative.
Order filled.
NQ, it's actually.
Hey, Starboy. Hey, Aziz. Good to see you guys. Thanks for stopping in.
Yep. Welcome back to the chat, everyone.
Stop filled.
Just in case. Just in case, baby.
But you could. Nissan, #1 in new vehicle quality. Laundry can be really ew.
Come on.
But your washer doesn't have to be. The dry drum cycle, part of the fresh flow vent
Consolidate
system,
a little
helps keep your
more.
washer fresh. Whirlpool, every day.
Consolidate a little more.
So there was orders right around here. Stop losses, and they pulled it right when I got close and put it back. So it is definitely gonna smash down. I think there is somebody.
Seller, Sam, or no?
It looks like now that lots of sellers have come in, and I guess the market's only moved a bit sideways. So potentially, but I don't know. I'm not seeing.
That's encouraging.
Nothing I would right now jump in.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a
very
slowing
swoopy.
down. It's just we're in the middle of nowhere right now. There's no low volume, nothing like that where we are right now.
All right, we're not gonna FOMO because we're getting really close to wanting to press the sell button on the funded account, and I don't want to give any of that back that we made today.
Actually, no. This might be a reversal. We might be seeing a reversal now.
So.
I hope we do.
Well, I don't want more than just a reversal. I want a squeeze. I want a squeeze, a major squeeze up. So we'll see.
action that is the issue, apparently.
Yeah, I'm just not. You see how kind of just starting to swoop in here. I'm not down for that one.
Yeah, I see that. I see it.
If not, we will survive.
I do think overall we pushed down to the 560.
Adelina's in the chat. Coach Adelina. Song
All
of the day. How
right.
low can
I
you
know.
go?
Oh God. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can you go? Hopefully this is it.
See.
Hopefully we found the bottom.
I don't know. I wouldn't.
Mentalize. I know.
I'm not convinced it's the bottom just yet. I think I don't know. It's too hard to read at this moment in time, to be honest.
Yeah. I would agree. I would agree. Get up on this. 25. Just take my IB and then rip up. And do a failure move. Failure move. All right, now you go up. There you go. Now you go up. There you go. There you go. There we go. There we go. Let's go, buyers. Finally. Get up this. We gotta get up beyond the 6490-ish to clear this little developing node down here. Gotta get past this. 64. We gotta get above this to go up. Get up, oh. Oh boy. Come on. You showed glimmer of hope. You showed a little glimmer.
There is no hope, Daryl.
Of course there is.
Out of your eyes.
No hope.
I mean, look, see, buyers are coming in here a little bit now, so look, let's get the IB failure move big time for me. Don't continue down. You went through it a couple of ticks. Like, nah, no deal. Let's go back up. Let's squeeze up. Let's squeeze these guys.
I mean, next level lower, I think, is like 64, 63, which would be about value area low of yesterday. That's what my next level to the downside would be.
I guess I was right. Or they're trapping.
Get up on this. Get up on this. Ugh.
Yeah, there we go. Jeez, man.
All right, guys.
The buyers are trying to do their part. At least down at this level, they're coming back in. Let's buy the dip. Come on, boys. Buy the dip.
Oh, no, I just missed it. Dang it.
What did you miss?
I literally just turned over to the live cattle and I saw that the 23.6 or 236 level was starting to really get tested, and I was like, man, I should be getting in a short right here. And as soon as I expanded my chart to get to the 1 minute and then to check something real quick, it just dropped like a whole point. And I was like, no. But that's okay. I'm still in a short on the soybeans, so it's trying to do its thing right now. Definitely bearish on the soybeans, but there's other opportunity to be had here. Just gotta keep looking.
Come on. Let's go. I mean, I've seen the buyers coming in more at this level than they were prior, obviously. They were just getting smashed on the way down, but we're starting to form a base. We're starting to consolidate a bit more. Just want to build up some liquidity here. Come on, buyers. Start stacking. Start stacking. Let's go. What is our range? We just, oof. Come down 70 points, 75 points. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Get enough to rip through that liquidity. They put the liquidity there. Sellers say thank you. We'll take that. Have a morsel.
This tip come break even perfectly, but not enough to take it out. Okay. Came out break even. At the very least, it came out break even.
Right. What do you mean short 616, Nick? How late did you enter? Marble race started earlier, no? I thought you would enter earlier. Well, we could still get a nice dump.
I think you still get it. I think you do.
Let's get your shorts.
We need it.
Let's go, buyers.
Have you ever seen anything this unreal?
Trading range
There you go.
Too many filters
Just
to
keep
know
it going,
what's
though.
real.
29.
Keep it going.
This is the original, been around since
Keep
forever.
it going.
But we're gonna keep it this way.
Come on.
Looking for a lower price
No
action.
special
but
effects.
about 10
virtual
bars now.
realities.
10
Just
bars
authentic.
in a row at one
Is
color
this the same
usually means there's a
planet?
pullback at
Unreal.
the end of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
It's
9,
the
10.
real
Now we
world.
have a pullback. There's the pullback. That's what I'm looking for a long time. But 10 bars, right? That's what Albrook says. 2 legs, 10 bars is like the end of a swing. That's when swing traders are going to look for profits, which is why you see a pullback.
All right, buyers. Melt up here. I kind of agree with you, Chris. I kind of agree. They're going to have to do it now. I mean,
Yeah, everything I just said.
the pressure's immense,
Let's come right back down.
especially with the print today. Jobs being so weak. All right, come on.
2,500 tick trap.
Up there.
Wow, Panda was like, this is incredible. I was hesitant to go short here because of the fact that we could have the 10 bars, the 2 legs 10 bars type thing with swing traders.
10-year note really
But when you get
spiked,
10 bars in a row like this on a 5-minute chart,
over the last
I mean,
couple
you're just
days.
thinking
Makes
probably
sense,
pullback
obviously,
soon.
People trying to
Maybe
buy
not.
before the rate cuts are happening and everything, lock in.
Why would we have such a pullback? What a dumb thing to think.
Automated, electrified documents. SimCenter system simulation belongs to Accelerate.
Siemens integrated digital innovation platform.
Stopped out on my soybean short there, so
Does Apex have a scalper? No, they don't.
It drastically speeds up development.
Were you trailing?
It reduces the risks of failing.
License power says.
yeah,
or,
I actually moved
use
my
the website
stop
to track
because
notifications.
I
John Q says moment of
where
silence
my
for Alpine.
EMAs
Well, what happened to
I was
Alpine?
like, okay, and with some of the order,
Evaluate and optimize
the
design
DOM that I
features
was looking
with
at, it
balance
just
the
didn't make
method
sense to have
If
my
you're gonna
stop
just
where
keep
it was
pushing
anymore,
down,
and I
maximize
trailed it
the
down a little
reuse
bit.
of models.
Small loss, but no
It's
big deal.
really not like
Return on investments and model development efforts. The outcome?
still very overlapped, still very choppy.
Shorter development times and lower costs.
Market could be
to
breaking
launch
that. It's
your